I've got the coolest job in government because I get to oversee Cape Town's economic growth mission, which includes investment positioning, economic development, tourism, trade, all the things that really make Cape Town a standout destination.
Cape Town is now calling itself Africa's tech capital. Why should a founder who's based in London or New York believe that as well?
Our skills, our talent, and our will to succeed.
51% of South Africa's startups are in Cape Town. What do you think is the common thread that is attracting this caliber of company?
So it's about reliable infrastructure. It's about a workforce that is trained and equipped. It's about a functioning city.
What are British companies telling you about why Cape Town over India or Eastern Europe?
We show a lot of empathy. We are solution focused. And that's where artificial intelligence comes from. And so when you phone a Cape Town BPO contact center and you're in trouble, the first thing that we will say, are you okay? So beyond the crafts and the cuisines and the cultures and our beautiful nature, Cape Town, such a cool city to live, work, play, invest